Hindi na ako magtagal mag-live kasi kailangan ko magpahinga, tita, na nahilo ako, tita. Nahilo ako. Sobra, hindi naman, okay naman sa, kulang sa tulog tapos stress, tita. Nag-isip ako. Kanina pa ako masama pakiramdam. Ako, tita, hindi ako magtagal mag-live. Sumakit kasi yung ulo ko. Hello, Binoy. Mega love shout out. Patamsak na lang po, mga idol. Ayan, Suhan, mega love shout out. I'm okay, Suhan. After long time, see you. Ba't mo pinatay, nakinig ako? Where is BCG? Yeah, busy. Thomas busy, you know. I have work. I have work as a beautician, so I have work, so I don't have time to, not listen before because, now it's December. Diyan lang yan. I know that you are. Yeah, I'm too much busy. Bitay din. Very cold with their hair. Yeah, very cold also in Kuwait. Okay, I don't want to, I want to sleep early, my mga idol. Thank you so much for coming because, I am tired too much, so I need to sleep. Lubat na.